Oh, I went to the gym today. Suva. So, okay, let me introduce this to the audience now. I've been tinkering with Chromium. In 1 week, I've managed to understand how Chromium works in something like DL. Managed to change like a little bit of the UI and then add a little bit of my own UI and then finally create like a layout that I wanted for myself and then finally adding my own UI. Today we are learning this thing called Mojo. So Chromium Mojo. What are you making?
This is a marinade chicken split into fry and semi curry and one masala.
But it tastes different, you're
one
saying?
masala, two different.
Great. So what I get is you have the render process, then you create a pipe, then you have the browser process. I think this thing creates a pipe and sends messages, and then it's a bidirectional pipe, and it works both ways. Oh, crazy. Chef Sid, what are you making?
Diabetes.
विवेक तेरे को है ना ऑलरेडी तो बनाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती विवेक को
इट्स केक ए मूका। हाँ भाई।
भाई रिव्यू तो दो खा के
वो बहुत अच्छा है।
अबे I woke up half an hour ago. I've overslept. And I think I have a little sick. Yeah, this emoji thing is kind of tough to understand, I guess. I'm gonna switch the position of this here and that here because I think that's my good side. Oops. Almost lost it there. Okay, so we have the tab menu. We have to create something called an observer. I think that can be skipped, honestly speaking. We just need to create a web view, give its URL. Okay. I think we're getting to a point where we can start building something out of this. Every time I've jumped into building way quicker than I should have, I have stayed in the building phase much longer than I should have. Basically, there are three buckets. First one is just your normal C++ view with a web view in it. The second one is web UI, which is more of a controller for doing all the IPC work. And finally, we have the resources section, which has all the HTML files. So as step one, you ask the web view to load the HTML file, and in turn, it automatically loads and attaches the web UI. Hello. Perfect. I think I should install a door or something here. It doesn't look that nice. I plan to do some work over the weekend, but I couldn't. Before delving into actually writing code, I want to look at Vivaldi once, how they're doing the entire Mojo thing, just to confirm that my plan of doing it with those three segments that we talked about the last time is correct. So this is a problem facing with every Chromium build. That is, it takes too long to build. I literally made 6 changes. There's nothing there to rebuild per se. Let's see if it works. I would want to be a little more excited. Okay, so yesterday we got it working to a point where on the left-hand side you see Google now, but that's a web view. And that's where we'll be loading our new tab section. It did work, although it took a lot of time to build. And the problem was I installed something called Ccache, which should help with caching, but that just created like a new build altogether. And I spent the entirety of yesterday building this. So it's Wednesday now. I'm still not able to get this page to run. I just found another page though, which is the page not available for guest something. It is a raw HTML file, and that's where I'm starting. I'm not having any Mojo connectors or any types of connectors. I just have like a static HTML file, and they do a few things differently. Trial one. Let's see if this works. Oh, not working. Oh, damn. Holy fuck. Oh, I did not expect it to work. Insane. Okay, so I think to do the other more complicated thing, you need Mojo and everything else to be set up. For 3 fucking days. Alright, in the next video, we'll probably figure out how to make this useful. But for now, I'm a little satisfied by this.